SC asks Kathua rape case witnesses to move J. New Delhi, the Supreme Court on Monday asked 3 witnesses, who had alleged harassment at the hands of Special Investigation Team, SIT probing Kathua gang rape and murder case, to approach the Jammu and Kashmir High Court with their grievances. The 3 witnesses, Sahil Sharma, Sachin Sharma and Neeraj Sharma, who were the classmates of one of the key accused in college, had alleged harassment by the SIT and sought an independent inquiry into it. A bench of Chief Justice Deepak Misra and Justices A.M. Khanwilkar and D.Y. Chandrachud refused to order a probe into the allegation of the witnesses that they were harassed during the process of recording of their statement before the state police. The bench disposed of their petition, giving them the liberty to approach the HC with their grievances. The court was hearing the matter relating to the gang rape and murder of an 8-year-old girl, belonging to a minority nomadic community, who had disappeared from near her home in a village close to Kathua in the Jammu region on January 10. Her body was found in the same area a week later. Senior advocate Gopal Subramaniam and advocate Shubha Lam, appearing for the Jammu and Kashmir government, informed the court that the witnesses have already been re-examined and their statements have been re-recorded. The apex court had allowed the 3 college students to be accompanied by their relatives during their further questioning by the Jammu and Kashmir police. The top court, which had rejected the plea for videography during the quizzing of the 3 witnesses by the crime branch, asked the police to carry out the probe in fair manner. The students, aged between 19 and 20 years, had alleged that they were harassed and coerced by the police and summoned to re-record their statements. Earlier, the court had allowed the state government to file a status report in gang rape and murder case of the minor girl after it was alleged that the 3 college friends of accused Vishal Jangotra might have misled the probe. The students have alleged that they were tortured and threatened by the crime branch of the Jammu and Kashmir police during the probe and sought protection by a central agency. The Jammu-based students, who are pursuing BSc in agriculture at a college in Muzaffarnagar in Uttar Pradesh, are classmates of Jangotra, the plea said. The students alleged that they were coerced to make statements contrary to the facts that Jangotra was with them at Muzaffarnagar from January 7 to February 10. During that period, he, along with the petitioners, attended examinations and practical papers. The petitioners were subjected to physical and mental torture from March 19 to March 31 by the respondents, state police officers, the plea had claimed. The petitioners had also sought 50 lakh rupees each as compensation for the physical and mental agony and loss of study and future prospects. The apex court had transferred the trial in the Kathua gang rape and murder case from Jammu and Kashmir to Pathankot in Punjab, but had refrained from handing over the probe to the Central Bureau of Investigation, saying there was no need as the investigation had been conducted and the charge sheet filed. The top court, which ordered a day-to-day, in-camera trial in the case, had said there was a need to shift the trial outside the state as fair and fair trial were contradictory and cannot be allowed to coexist. The state police has filed the main charge sheet against 7 persons and a separate charge sheet against a juvenile in a court in Kathua district.